Welcome to Shelly's Cuisine. Today we're going to make shrimp, a quick under 30-minute meal. Something you can pair with couscous or you can pair it with rice. And so we have heated our pan and we need about 2 tablespoons of oil, okay? And we are going to put a little bit of seasoning on our shrimp. So of course, sea salt. So you put about 2 teaspoons of sea salt or you salt to taste. We will be putting black pepper. Okay, I have a little bit of jerk seasoning, so I'll just put a little bit of that. I want to stir it a little bit so I get my seasoning on all parts. And I want to put dried rosemary. Everybody knows I love rosemary. And my favorite, smoked paprika. So when you're seasoning seafood, you don't need to go crazy with too much of the seasoning. You just want to put some of that so it has the flavor. Okay, and our oil is hot. And so, about medium heat. Okay, first we have to saute our garlic. So that's about 5 garlic cloves because I like garlic. And our onion, yellow onion. And that's about half a cup of onion. So we just want to get this, to the point where we say sweat the onions. So just to get them covered. And that's pretty much it. And we'll go ahead and we'll put our shrimp in now. Okay. This is about 2 pounds of shrimp. Oh well. And so I want to put a little bit of chicken broth. Probably be about 1/4 cup of chicken broth. Maybe 1/2 cup, I take that back. And we're just gonna let this simmer for a minute. And then we'll be back. So our shrimp is almost ready. So we are gonna twist it with coconut milk, 1/2 cup of coconut milk. And as they're almost ready, we're just gonna incorporate that coconut milk. It smells great. And we're just gonna let that settle. And we're good. Okay, so our shrimp is ready. Of course we have to twist. I always use cilantro. I love fresh cilantro. I really love fresh cilantro in my dish. And this is going to be great with rice, couscous, risotto. So there we have it. This was simple to make. So you get home and you can just throw some shrimp in. This took about 15 minutes. And that's it. That's all you need. Wow, this looks absolutely great. And very simple. Wow. And there you have it, coconut shrimp. So, thank you for visiting Shelly's Cuisine, and thank you for making shrimp with coconut with us. Tune in next week to find out what we will twist next. Don't forget to subscribe.